Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and this is our second installment of this sustainable landscape here in Los Angeles that we're doing. We originally got here and there wasn't much to speak of. There was this broken concrete path, and I guess the homeowner described it to me, said that apparently it was a broken up driveway, and they brought it here and used it as step stones, but it was really crooked and uneven. It was an accident waiting to happen. It was so uneven and crooked, and it wasn't set in concrete. So I'm going to show you in a second what we did with it, but anyway, I want you to take a look at this. These are rectangular 18-inch by 24-inch rectangles, and they go all up the driveway. In fact, it's really nice here. We started with two, and then we went every, right in the middle of them. You can see where you can actually go a straight line, except for over here. We actually did kind of an interesting design here. 1, 2, 3, and then we did the same design. We have a big mound of extra soil here. Now, where did this come from? It came from the yard itself. It's going to add some dimension to the yard. It's going to add some real interest, because it adds a dimension that wasn't here when it was just flat. And then follow me. I'm going to show you where the extra soil came from and what did we do with that concrete for the driveway. Remember, sustainability is about reduce, reuse, recycle, repurpose. And this is what we did with it. If you follow me, what you'll see is that this rain gutter, when it rains, which isn't often in Los Angeles, but when it does, we dug down and we did what's called a rain garden, or a swale. And so when it rains, the rain's going to come down here, it's going to fill up, it's going to allow for groundwater infiltration. So instead of going out to the street picking up oil and then going out to the ocean, killing the ocean, it's going to stay here on site. There was more concrete, and there was another downspout. So follow me over here, and I'm going to show you what we did with the second downspout. Actually, it hasn't been built yet, but we have the downspout here. Just like we did with the other one, we're going to create one of these little swale riverbeds, and it's going to go into here. And if you come on over here, I'll show you, we actually incorporated the front doors over there, so we actually incorporated a dry creek bed with concrete in the second feature, because we have the elevation to work with it here. So we built what's basically a dry creek bed on top, so the homeowner, that's what they're first met with. So when it has plants, and we're going to pretty it up, so it'll look absolutely amazing. And then the second dry creek bed, we're going to fill this with gravel here, and the same idea. When it does get filled, when it does rain, it's going to fill up, and it's going to allow the water penetration to penetrate into the ground, not go out to the ocean and kill our oceans. We've got to really think about all the excess fertilizers, the pollution. It's killing our oceans. It's creating an algae overgrowth. The algae sucks the water out of the ocean, and it leaves less oxygen for the creatures, and that's why there's a big die-off in the oceans, one of the reasons why. Also, we have something called a kidney bean. We're going to shape this. It's going to look like a kidney bean. It's real popular in landscapes. It's a traditional design that we've used traditionally in landscapes. And then next week we're going to do planting, and we're going to do mulch, and it'll be finished. And homeowners talking about doing some solar lights, going to one of the big box stores and get solar lights. A tip on solar lights: if you buy the $2 ones, they're cheap, but you get what you pay for. They might last you a week or two. If you buy the more expensive ones, you may be paying $50, $60, but those things are going to last you for many years, and they don't suck electricity from the grid. Fabulous product. This is Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.